right into it. So with this core movement, you want to be sure to keep the feet shoulder width apart and keep the heels on the floor. You will feel the urge for your heels to come up off the floor when you roll your hips under your knees, but your main objective is to keep those heels planted on the floor. Reach all the way through, stretching out the entire torso, and nicely place it back in between your thighs. This will work out your entire core and even your hamstrings. Make sure you repeat this movement 50 times, 3 sets. Obviously 50, rest, 50, rest. Let your rest be 10 seconds in between. You will feel this. Please do not stop, and make sure you breathe the entire way through. This is an awesome, awesome ab exercise, guaranteed to target those muscles. Thank you.